Hello, let me just show you. Just share. And I'm going to say, why should you do Bitcoin Wise? A lot of people has seen my video and they ask me what is this business about? I'm going to tell you in short and as easy as possible. Bitcoin Wise pays you when you shop. In other words, you earn as you pay for your groceries and for your shopping. There's no products that you have to sell. There's no additional cost. No credit checks, no monthly payments, no debit orders. So why don't you turn every day's daily spending into passive income? Because you buy groceries and put petrol in anyway and get takeaway. You can do this part-time or full-time, and you will be amazed of how this can add up. Now, it was founder is Frans Swanepoel, and he founded it in October 2024. And earn as you pay. So how does Bitcoin Buy system work? You get weekly payments, okay? That is an enrollment reward. You get 50 Rand per person that you bring into the business. Because Bitcoin Wise wants to say thank you for growing our community. Because the bigger our community, the more merchants we can go to add up so that you can earn more passive income. So how does this passive income work? The supermarkets or the merchants are charged a transaction fee, okay? So Bitcoin Wise has partners with a processing company called Cellbucks. They get the transaction fees. So Bitcoin Wise arranged a portion of that transaction fees to be shared with you as part of the Bitcoin Wise and as you pay. So Cellbucks has been in business since 2012. They are a third party financial technology company, okay? They use cell phones to offer payment solutions, and there no banks are involved. So you know that this is a sure business because these people that's been in business for so long will not partner with somebody that is going to bring their name down, okay? So how much does it cost? I'm sure that you saw it's a 200 Rand once off activation fee. This is to activate your wallet. So you're not going to pay the 200 Rand and get it into your digital wallet. Okay. This is to activate your digital wallet. Now, Cellbox is your digital wallet. I just want to ask you a simple question. How many people do you know that buy groceries? Because I've had a lot of people that ask, but must I speak to people? If you want a business, any business I know needs customers. You can do it by yourself, but you will soon realize that the percentage that you're going to earn is not going to add up much. But if you are, for instance, happy at the moment, you've got your Checkers card, your Pick and Pay card, your Discount card, and you know that little bit of money you earn from there, then I suppose you will be happy. This will just be an added benefit. But the business needs customers, and here you talk. Let me just explain a little bit, okay? So the secret lies not just earning from your own spending, but from everybody else spending in your network. And each network and matrix can grow to 11,110 members. So what if it takes you a few months or a year or longer to do? You're still going to earn points from your cards. Now, I know when Time Bank just came out, and I told everybody if you take your Time Bank and open an account and you go to Pick and Pay to shop, you're going to earn double back your shopping. You know what? I told a lot of people, did I earn anything from it? No, because they do not have an affiliate program that pays you to share this fantastic idea. But I did it anyway. Why? Because people can earn money. This is what happens here. You're going to be excited to share it with people. So your business is going to grow automatically without you even thinking of it because you're going to want to share. So you are going to earn vouchers in your Cellbox wallet that's called a digital wallet. And then you're going to generate it and convert it to a WISE 168 code, which you then going to use at the till, like you would pay instead of paying with your card or cash. You're going to now pay with your voucher. So it's inevitably just a different way of paying so that you can earn because you are using Cellbox vouchers. It is money that you've earned either from the 50 Rand that you brought in from the people within the business. And you'll see there's another extra level income I'll show you now. Or that you did an EFT because you know that you're going to put petrol in and you haven't earned money yet. You can do an EFT so that you can go put your petrol in because look here, total Energies is also on here. So you're going to EFT it into your cell box. You're going to start using it as you would spend every month or weekly anyway. Look at all these merchants that's available. ShopRite, Checkers, Pick n Pay, Boxer, USave. Those are the ones you use generally anyway. And you also got the online shopping Takealot that you can also use the voucher and earn from there as well. Now, another question I get a lot of times is, but I use 66 from Checkers. But Mr. D also delivers Checkers. So you can also use Mr. D. They're one of the merchants. And Dave explained this afternoon that the reason they're using Mr. D is that you are not just going to earn money from the delivery fee. You're going to earn from the whole transaction fee. That's why they're using Mr. McD, because they agreed on that. And then you can go takeaway. Whatever takeaway you feel like getting is also on the list. So how does it work? The weekly enrollment reward works like that. You get paid every Friday for every single person that uses your link to come into the business. So Bitcoin Wise is thanking you for doing that. And if it's successfully registered and support has recognized their payment, you will see in your in your Bitcoin Wise wallet, it changes to orange. So everything in orange, you know you're going to get paid for, guaranteed on Friday. I've been in this business for 4 weeks already, and I've already earned every single Friday. It cost me 200 Rand, but I already got it back the next Friday because I got people in. And look here, for the first 10 people on your level 1, you're going to get an extra 10 Rand. So I was already 40 Rand in profit because I got my 100 Rand back plus the 10 Rand for 4 people. And then the week after that, I got more people. So now I've got more than 10 people. So they're overspilling in my level 2. So you don't have to stop by 10 people. So now I'm earning 50 Rand per person that successfully has shown that they have paid, plus an additional 5 Rand. Here you can get another 500 Rand on your level 2. On your level 3, when you get people in, you're going to get an extra 10 Rand for every single person that drops on your level 3. If you've paid and somebody above you have brought in more than they should and it overspills to you, you will earn that 10 Rand. So look how much your potential is in earning just from people, bringing people into the business and sharing it. That is why they say we will reward you with 50 Rand. But on top of that, we will reward you this. And on level 4, you can earn from 10,000 people an extra 25 Rand just because they are part of your matrix. Look at that potential of 250,000 Rand. Isn't that awesome? And that's just from your referrals. That is not from your passive income. This is weekly payments every single Friday. Now, your passive income comes from this, getting that percentage of the transaction fee. Now, they worked it out, and this is very conservative. If everybody in your matrix only spends 1,000 Rand, which I doubt, some people put 1,000 Rand a week in for petrol, let alone a month for groceries. But let's work on that. And your first 10 people all go and spend 1,000 Rand. You will get 20 Rand. But you know what? It might sound like nothing. Times it by 12 over a year if you do nothing else. Okay? But your team is going to grow because people are going to speak about it and they are going to want to bring more people in. So if your 10 people each bring 10 people in, you're now sitting with 100 people that you can earn 1% from. And they're only spending 1,000 Rand. You're going to get 100 Rand every single month. Times that by 12, that's a bonus in December of 1,000 Rand. 1,200 Rand because it's 12 months. Okay? That is monthly because people do not just spend groceries once a month. They sometimes spend more than that. Okay. Level 3, you are also still going to earn 2%. So that's going to bring you extra 2,000 Rand. But that is every single month because people are going to buy groceries and also put petrol in far more than this. On level 4, you've got a potential of earning 5%, which could bring you in 50,000 Rand. If that takes you a while to get there, you know what? That is worth working towards. But say everybody does not just spend 1,000 Rand. Look how exciting it gets when they are going to spend 2,000 Rand. Look at this. Now you are going to earn 2% on that 2,000 Rand, but I can guarantee you most people will not stay with 2,000 Rand. You will earn on your 10 people 40 Rand per month. If they each bring in 10 people and each of them spend only 2,000 Rand, your income on that 100 people can be 200 Rand a month. Times that by 12, 2,400 Rand bonus you can earn in December. Every single month you're going to be earning this, okay? So on level 3, you're going to start earning on that 1,000 people 2%. So if they each spend 2,000 Rand a month, which we know already is going to be far more than that, you have got the potential of earning 4,000 Rand per month. Look at the potential on how it's climbing up. If you get to level 4, you can earn from those 10,000 people a 5%, which is another 100,000. So imagine on this 104,000 Rand. Remember, this is monthly because people buy groceries every single month and I put petrol in sometimes weekly. So let's do this in a nutshell. How do I start? You will get your registration link from the person, then send this to you and you will register. They're going to need your cell phone number. Super important. Put your cell phone number in that where you can receive a message from and leave the 0 out in front. Okay? Then you will get a message to register on Cellbucks. But before that, a message will appear to say, please make payment. Now you will make the payment of 200 Rand. Remember, you're never going to pay again. You're going to use your cell phone number that you registered on without a 0. And you're going to make that payment. You're then going to send that proof of payment with your name, surname, and cell phone number to support. You'll see there is a cell phone number and also to the person that invited you so they can follow up. Just one thing. When you register on BcoinWise, it's going to ask you to create your own 8-digit password. Normal thing, capital letters, small letters, or whatever. Write it down or take a screenshot. Do not lose it because you're going to want to check your team within the BcoinWise app all the time. And then when you get the message to register on Cellbucks, please save the password. They will give you your link. It starts with 27 without the 0, your cell phone number, and then 5 digits. Take a screenshot or write it down safe. So when you want to log into your Cellbucks, it's very easy to do. So now you're ready to tell people about BcoinWise so you can earn potential income every Friday. So that means every person that joins with your link, you will get paid on the Friday. If by Wednesday, 2 o'clock, support could say, yes, they made payment. Isn't that awesome? So now once this is done, you're going to be asked to be added to the WhatsApp group. For more information, for updates, for when you can join Zooms. And also what we're going to do is we're going to send you 2 apps. It's a BcoinWise and a Cellbucks app that just makes it much easier because it goes on your homepage on your cell phone and it's easier to click and go in if you want to check anything. Now, this is a very easy business. You're just going to have a different way of paying for your groceries and for your petrol that you do anyway. You're going to pay 200 Rand once off, never again. You're going to start earning weekly and you're going to start earning monthly. So get back to the person that sent this to you and let's see if we can get you already earning on Friday. I'm sure that you agree that this is an awesome, awesome opportunity.